Namaste बच्चों, myself Chavian Dr. Monica Trivedi. I am from Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today we will discuss about chemical kinetics. Okay. So, firstly, we have to know what is the chemical kinetics and why it is used for a reaction. So, the kinetics is about how fast does a reaction proceed. Okay, and the thermodynamics is does a reaction take place. Okay, so the kinetics and the thermodynamics plays an important role in a reaction. Okay. The important factor which are affected the rate of reactions and they are used to measure the change in a concentration with a time. Okay. So the factor which affect the rate of reaction are reactant concentration, temperature, action of catalyst and surface area, and pressure of gaseous reactant or product. Okay, so the kinetics is a study of a rate at which the chemical reaction process occurs, and besides the information about the speed at which reaction occur, kinetics also shades light on the reaction mechanism, exactly how the reaction occurs. Now, in a kinetics, we have to learn about the reaction rates to measure the rate of reaction, the rate laws, which depends on the amount of a reactant, integrated rate laws to calculate the amount of left or the amount left or a time to reach the given amount, the half life to know how long it takes to react 50% of a reactant, and Arrhenius reaction to calculate how the rate constant changes with the temperature, and the mechanism to link between the rate and molecular process. Okay, so first we will discuss about the reaction rates. Okay, so what is the reaction rate? In this diagram you can see that in a first state when a time is a 0 second. Okay, so the total moles are present is a 1.00 mole of A and 0 mole of B. After 20 seconds, the time after 20 seconds, there is 0.54 mole of A and 0.46 mole of B. After 40 seconds, the concentration changes to 0.30 mole of A and 0.70 mole of B. So, in this reaction, the rates of a reaction can be determined by the monitoring the change in a concentration of either reactant or a product as a function of a time. Okay, the A here is in a bracket is a concentration of reactant, which is A. Now the reaction rate for a reaction for the A converts into B, there are two ways to measure the rate of reaction. First is the speed at which the reactants disappear. Second, the speed at which the product appears. Okay, so the reversible reaction as a product accumulates, they can bring to the turn back into the reaction. So early on the rate will depend on the only the amount of the reactants present. We want to measure the reactions, the rate of reactions by mixing the both reaction. A general way to measure the rate of reaction is in the term of the change in concentration per unit time, and for this the time is the concentration of A by del T limits to dA by dt. Okay, and the most common unit for rate is m by s. Okay, which is mole per liter. Okay, where the molarity is mole per liter. What is the chemical kinetics? The reaction rate is the change in the concentration of a reactant or a product with the time, mole per second. Okay, the A converts into B for rate of backward forward reaction, rate of forward reaction. Okay, so first is rate of A converts into B is equals to minus del A concentration by del T, which is the del A is equals to change in concentration of A over the time period of del T, and the rate of appearing of B is del B by del T, which is change in concentration of B over time period del T. Okay, so because del A decreases with the time, so here we put the negative charge over the rate of del A by del T. Okay, so the reaction rate and the stereochemistry, if we generalize the reaction like A plus B which convert into C and D. These small a, b, c, d are the moles of the capital A, B, which are the reactant, and C and D are the products. Okay, so if we calculate the rate of these reactant, okay, here you can see the reactant decreases in a minus. Here you can see the minus, and the product which produce or increase they present in a plus sign. Okay, so if we calculate the rate for this, we will get that 1 by minus 1 by A del A concentration by del T is equals to 1 by B del B by 1 by B del B by del T is equals to 1 by C del C concentration by del T is equals to 1 by D del D by del T. Okay, so these are the rate of reaction for a backward and forward reactions. Okay, thank you very much.